To reset your Tapo C225 camera, there's two options that you can try. First one is in the Tapo app. If you select your camera right here, then you can move to the gear icon in the top right section of the screen, and when we scroll down, there's an option to remove our camera, and if you confirm it, your camera will reset as well. Now, if you want to do it without your account, you can flip the camera gimbal up like this. And then there's the reset button right here. You need to click and hold it. And keep looking on the camera LED lamp. When it starts blinking like this, that means the reset is basically happening right now. Your camera will start to rotate and do other stuff, so make sure to put it in a place and then wait till it starts blinking with the red and blue light simultaneously, and then reset is basically finished.